Zuni and the Memory Jar, written by Aisha Saeed, illustrated by Neha Rawat. When Mama comes home from her errands, she pulls out a clear glass jar. For cookies? Zuni asks. For memories, Mama says. Memories? Zuni frowns. Remember Nani bowling the game-winning strike, Dad's new car, Adam's first place in the spelling bee, Sophie's reading bowl award, your cousin's graduation party? Remembering is how we make memories. This year, we'll bottle our special ones. At the final soccer game of spring, Adam swerves, he dribbles, he scores. The Jaguars win first place. Adam slips in a picture of his epic goal and then turns to Zuni. Don't worry, Zuni Zoo. Someday you'll have your own winning memories too. At Sophie's piano recital, her fingers fly across the keys. The audience claps when she takes a bow. Give it time, Zuni Zoo. One day you'll be celebrated too. Nani's quilt is on special display at the recreation center later that week. She holds up her bright blue ribbon. Nani won first place. When Nani slips in the ribbon, she gives Zuni a kiss and says, Just watch, Zuni Zoo. Someday you'll have ribbons too. At the turkey trot race that Mama practiced for all year long, Zuni hands out water and cheers when she finishes her run. Don't worry, Zuni Zoo. One day you'll be racing too. Soon, the branches on the trees go bare. Soon, Nani takes out the teapot. And when Mama pulls down the jar, Zuni smiles because she knows it's almost time for sipping noon tea, Nani's special strawberry cake, and opening the jar of photos, mementos, and notes. Zuni helps Nani make the cake. They beat eggs, sift flour, stir sugar, and watch the cake begin to bake. Later, by the fire, it's time to open the memory jar. Don't worry, Zuni Zoo, they say. Maybe next year you'll have special memories too. But Zuni stands and sings, I already do. Out comes Adam's photo, Sophie's piano recital program, Mama's marathon medal, a clip of fabric from Nani's quilt, the one that won first place. I stopped a soccer ball, rescued a lion, splashed in a fountain, handed out water for a marathon, raced with my friends, and look, helped Nani make this strawberry cake. Seems you've got the sweetest memories of all, Nani smiles. A memory is a remembering of things, big but sometimes small, and even with the littlest of memories, Zuni doesn't need to squint to see. There's something special about them all. Author's note. Every year, my family creates a memory collector with a large mason jar. We stick it in the kitchen and slip in mementos throughout the year. Maybe a pressed flower from a special event, a map of a park we hiked in, a scrap with a scribbled note of a tiny funny moment. Things we want to remember. We usually open the jar before the school year starts, and then again at the end of the calendar year. It's nice in a busy world to set aside some time to remember the year and all the memories that made it up. Big or small, each moment matters.